Have you ever wondered how to transform your classroom into a cozy, festive space for Thanksgiving that both you and your students will love? Stick around, because in this video, I'll share the most creative and fun Thanksgiving decor ideas that will make your classroom feel like a warm, welcoming harvest feast. From DIY crafts to simple yet elegant touches, let's dive in. What are some DIY Thanksgiving crafts for classroom decor? DIY crafts are a fun and interactive way to get your students involved in decorating the classroom. Plus, it gives them a sense of pride in contributing to the classroom environment. Paper plate turkeys. Have students create turkeys using paper plates, paint, and construction paper. These can be hung up around the classroom or displayed on a special Thanksgiving wall. Thankful tree. Create a large tree on a bulletin board or wall. Have students write what they're thankful for on paper leaves and attach them to the branches. Pumpkin decorating contest. You can do this as a classroom project where each student decorates their pumpkin using craft supplies. Display the pumpkins on a shelf or along the classroom windows. Want more hands-on DIY ideas? Comment below with your favorite classroom craft. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative teaching hacks. How can I incorporate fall-themed colors into my classroom decor? One of the easiest ways to give your classroom a festive vibe for Thanksgiving is by incorporating warm, earthy colors like orange, red, yellow, and brown. These colors not only represent the fall season, but also create a cozy atmosphere. Use bulletin board borders. Switch out your bulletin board borders to autumn-themed colors or patterns. You can even find borders with leaves or pumpkins for that extra touch of Thanksgiving spirit. DIY garland. String together leaf cutouts and fall colors to create garlands that you can hang around the classroom. Tablecloths or fabric accents. Place orange or brown fabric over tables or use it to create a backdrop for your displays. It's an easy way to cover spaces and bring in seasonal colors. If you're loving these easy fall color ideas, hit that like button and let me know your favorite fall color in the comments. How can I use natural elements to decorate the classroom? Incorporating natural elements is a great way to make your classroom feel more in tune with the season while keeping it budget-friendly and eco-friendly. Pine cones and acorns. Gather pine cones and acorns from outside and use them to fill jars or baskets for tabletop decorations. Dried corn and wheat stalks. These are perfect for creating a fall harvest vibe. You can arrange them in small bundles to place in corners or use them to frame a board. Mini pumpkins and gourds. Place small pumpkins and gourds around the room. You can even have students draw or paint faces on them to personalize each one. If you're thinking about bringing nature indoors, click the link in the description for a full playlist of similar classroom decor ideas. How can I involve my students in Thanksgiving classroom decor? Engaging students in the decorating process can be both fun and educational. It allows them to be part of the classroom transformation while teaching them about teamwork and creativity. Classroom Decorating Day. Dedicate a day or part of a lesson to decorating. Assign students to different areas, like the windows, doors, and bulletin boards, and give them autonomy to create their own designs. Gratitude Wall. Have students write what they're thankful for on sticky notes and place them on a dedicated gratitude wall that grows throughout the month. Thanksgiving Table Display. Create a Thanksgiving table in a corner of the room where students can contribute their own items, such as handmade napkin holders, placemats, or even a centerpiece. Looking for more ways to get your students involved? Subscribe to stay updated on all my classroom management tips and tricks. How can I set the mood with Thanksgiving-themed lighting? Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambiance, and Thanksgiving is all about warmth and coziness. Here's how to achieve that in your classroom. String lights. Hang string lights around the classroom, especially around windows and bulletin boards. Choose soft white or orange bulbs for a gentle glow. Battery-operated candles. Use flameless candles to give a warm, inviting feel to certain areas, like the reading nook or the classroom's main table. Lanterns. Incorporate small lanterns, battery-powered of course, as table centerpieces. You can even involve students in decorating the lanterns with Thanksgiving-themed stickers or drawings. If you're ready to light up your classroom, make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next classroom decor video. What are some simple, budget-friendly Thanksgiving decor ideas? You don't need to break the bank to make your classroom look amazing for Thanksgiving. Here are a few budget-friendly decor ideas that still pack a punch. DIY paper crafts. Use construction paper to make cutout turkeys, pumpkins, and leaves. Hang them from the ceiling or tape them around your whiteboard. Recycled materials. Use old newspapers or magazines to create fall-themed collages. This can be an eco-friendly project that doubles as art. Repurpose classroom materials. Use what you already have. Grab crayons or markers in fall colors to draw seasonal art or borders on your windows or chalkboard. Need more budget-friendly ideas? Don't forget to check the description for a full guide to affordable classroom decor. And there you have it. With these Thanksgiving classroom decor ideas, your space will feel festive, cozy, and engaging. Whether you're using fall colors, DIY crafts, natural elements, or lighting, there are endless ways to make your classroom shine this Thanksgiving season. Your students will love the transformation, and you'll enjoy the warmth it brings to your classroom. Have fun decorating, and most importantly, enjoy this special time of year with your students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow teachers, and hit the subscribe button for more classroom decor ideas. Also, check the description for links to more seasonal decor ideas and products used in this video.